back to GK video class, students. Let us gain some knowledge on the topic world around us. Here we start with the top 6 smallest countries of the world. Number 1, the smallest country as well as smallest city of the world, that is Vatican City, which has area 2 square kilometers. Now the second number, the second smallest country and the most densely populated country in the world is Monaco, which is having the area 0.44 square kilometers. The next smallest country is Nauru, which is located in the South Pacific Ocean. It is formerly called as Pleasant Island and it is having an area 26 square kilometers. Next smallest country, which is Tuvalu, which is also located in the South Pacific Ocean between Australia and Hawaii, which is having the area 21 square kilometers. The next smallest country is in the Italian peninsula and surrounded by Italy, which is called as the Republic of San Marino, which is having the area 61 square kilometers. Now at last, we have the sixth point, which is a small German-speaking country which lies between Austria and Switzerland, which is known as Liechtenstein, which has the area of 160 square kilometers. Now let us discuss about the next lesson, famous amusement parks of the world. Yes, let us start with the first picture, which shows the amusement park which is in Florida. The name of this amusement park is Epcot at Walt Disney World. And the second picture shows, again it is from Florida. The name of this amusement park, can you guess, students? Yes, this is Disney's Hollywood Studios at Walt Disney World. Now the third point, again it is from Florida. The name of this amusement park is Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World. Now fourth point, can you recognize, students? By seeing you can understand it's look like a studio. Yes, you are correct. That is Universal Studios Japan from Osaka, Japan. Next, fifth point picture, what it shows? It shows again the amusement park which is from Japan. The name of this amusement park is Tokyo Disney Sea from Tokyo. Number sixth point, see such an attractive amusement park it is. Here you can see the Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse are there. Yes, so can you guess it? Which amusement park it is? Yes, it is from Florida. The name of this amusement park is Disney's Animal Kingdom at Walt Disney World. Number 7 point, seventh picture, can you see what it tells? Yeah, it is a Disneyland. Disneyland from California and it is situated in Anaheim. Okay, students. Now, number 8, you can see such a nice and attractive amusement park is there. And cap is also made that amusement park. Okay, now here, this is from Japan. The name of this amusement park is Tokyo Disneyland from Tokyo. Now at the last, now you can see the lions are made on this amusement park. So the name of this amusement park is Disneyland Park at Disneyland, that is from Paris, France. Now we are going to go through the lesson 10, the strange museums, where it shows the strange collections of museums. Here the first museum is the International Spy Museum, which is in Washington, D.C. The second one, Bent Heaven Ventriloquist Museum in Fort Mission, Kentucky. Next we have Sulabh International Museum of Toilets in New Delhi. The next part you can see. What is the name of this museum? Can you guess? Yes, it is Cancun Underwater Museum in Mexico. Now, at the last strange museum, can you see can you guess it? Yes, it's many mummies are there, isn't it? So, it is the Museum of Mummy. We can say the name, the Mummy Museum in Guanajuato, Mexico. Now we have the next lesson. We are going to discuss about top 10 man-made wonders. I hope you all have seen these wonders. So we will revise it. So the first, that is Pyramids of Egypt. Number 2, that is Great Wall of China. Number 3, can you guess, students? This is Taj Mahal in India. Next, number 4, which is Machu Picchu in Peru. Number 5, Temples of Bali in Indonesia. Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Number 7, Forbidden City in China. Bagan temples and pagodas in Myanmar. That is number 8. Number 9, we have Karnak Temple in Egypt. Number 10, we have Teotihuacan in Mexico. Now here, we are going to discuss about, in lesson number 12, the strange currency names. Here you can see the one part the country names are given, and in the other part the currency names are there. So we will just learn the currencies of different countries. So the first, Angola. In Angola, the currency we call it Kwanza. Botswana, Pula. Eritrean Nakfa. Bangladesh, Taka. Bhutan, Nagaltram. Kazakhstan, Tenge. Kyrgyzstan, Som. Malaysia, Ringgit. Mongolia, Togrog. Ukraine, Hryvnia. Papua New Guinea, Kina. Now, we are going to discuss about the beautiful gardens of the world in lesson number 13. Now, can you see the first picture? What you recognize? Yes, it is Nangnoch Tropical Botanical Garden in Pattaya from Thailand. The second picture shows Kirstenbosch National Botanical Garden, Cape Town from South Africa. Number 3 picture shows Ville d'Este, Tivoli from Italy. Number 4, can you see? This is a nice beautiful garden from France. The name of this garden is Gardens of Versailles. Next, number 5, we have a beautiful garden from United Kingdom. The name of the garden is Kew Royal Botanic Gardens from Kew. Next we have number 6. This garden is from Japan. The name of this garden is Kenrakuin Garden, Kanazawa, Japan. Number 7. This is from Lycée Quickenhof Gardens. Next, we have number 8 from New York, Botanic Gardens of New York. Number 9. Can you guess it? Yes, it is Summer Place Garden in Beijing, China. Now, let us learn some famous historical personalities. That is lesson 14, which tells you about historical personalities. Now, first you have the 3 pictures. What it tells? Can you recognize it? Yes, the first picture is of Martin Luther King Jr. The second person, that is Ho Chi Minh. Now the third famous personality, can you guess? Yes, this is Otto von Bismarck. Next, 3 pictures of famous personalities. They are number 4, Rosa Luxemburg. Number 5, Rosa Parks. Number 6, who is this personality? Can you guess? Yes, this is Napoleon Bonaparte. Number 7. Now next we have the 3 more personalities. That is number 7, Karl Marx. Number 8, Giuseppe Garibaldi. Number 9, Che Guevara. I hope all of you understood these personalities. Let us proceed to the next lesson, lesson number 15, Royalties Today. As we already know that in our modern country, the importance of royal rules are already diminished. However, there are still some countries in the world where royalties are in power. Let us identify these royalties. The first royalty we have, that is Sultan of Brunei. The name of this king is Hassan Bolkiah. Now, you can see the second picture which tells King of Swaziland. The name of this king is Mswati III. Next we have number 3, King of Thailand. The name of this king is Maha Vajiralongkorn. Number 4. Can you guess it, students? Yes, this is King of Bhutan. The name of this king is Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuk. Next, number 5. This picture identifies Prince of Monaco. The name of this king is Albert II. Number 6, King of Bahrain. The name of this king is Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa. Number 7, this is Prince of Liechtenstein. Can you guess, students? Yes, the name of this personality is Hans Adam II. Now the last one, number 8, this is King of Oman, means the Sultan of Oman. The name of this Sultan is Qaboos bin Said Al. Now, let us learn about the last lesson of this unit, World Around Us. That is lesson 16, Festivals of the World. As we celebrate thousands of festivals all over the world every year, singing, dancing, religious ceremonies, costumes and processions are the features of many festivals. Now let us recognize these festivals with their features. Now, come students, let us recognize the first festival. This is a festival, traditional marriage festival celebrated by the Berber people in Imilchil, Morocco, North Africa every September. Young men and women from different villages gather here to find a marriage partner. Here you can see a bride is prepared for the marriage with the traditional jewelry. So, can you guess students, which is this festival? Yes, the name of this festival is the Berber Festival of Brides, or it can also said as Imilchil Festival. Now, the next festival is celebrated in many parts of the world. It includes colorful street processions with bright clothes, music and dancing. It is also called Fat Tuesday or Shrove Tuesday, as people eat fatty food before the ritual fasting for the Lenten season. So, can you guess this festival? Yes, this is Mardi Gras. Now let us go through the next festival, that is of Africa of warriors. They are expected to be brave and fearless. One test of their courage is the traditional lion hunt. Before the hunt, the warriors perform a ritual dance called Namba. Can you guess students, which is this festival? Yes, this is Maasai. Here we have the next festival, which is celebrated on the last Wednesday of August every year. Here you can see around 50,000 locals and foreigners descend on the streets to throw tomatoes at one another. See, such a strange festival it is. Can you guess students? Yes, this name of this festival is La Tomatina. Now our next festival is related to cheese. So yummy it is, isn't it? So this festival is celebrated in the United Kingdom. The festival involves an official tossing a cheese down the extremely steep hill, after which hundreds of people begin to run down the hill in order to catch the cheese. Yes, the name of this festival is cheese rolling. Our next festival is a Hindu festival. I hope we have often heard this name. Okay, it is celebrated mostly in Tamil Nadu. It is held in January to February each year to celebrate the birth of Murugan, the son of Lord Shiva and Parvati. It is also celebrated in Singapore and Malaysia. Yes, the name of this festival is Thaipusam. Now, let us discuss the last festival of your page number 25, that is a popular festival in Spain. In this picture, you can see a bonfire. Yes, it is held from 19th to 24th of June every year. The strange festival involves the lighting of bonfires fueled by old furniture. So, the name of this festival is Bonfire of St. John. Thank you students. I hope all of you enjoyed the video very well and noted down or highlighted the main points to identify the things. And till then, take care, and I will be back with the next unit, that is animals and plants. Thank you students.